Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare ginger drink with pineapple. Ginger is very good for cold, catarrh, and asthma and flu. So I'm going to use pineapple as my sweetener to this ginger drink. I've already washed and prepared my ginger. So I'm going to blend it. Then I'll blend it together with the pineapple. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, thumbs up, subscribe, and share with friends and families. Keep watching. So I'll wash my pineapple. Wash it very well in case there is some sand on it. Then after washing it, I'll now peel it because I'm going to blend it together with the ginger. After cutting it, I'm going to blend the pineapple and mix it with my ginger that I've already blended. Then pour in some warm water, then mix it, filter it for the drink. So the next thing now is to place my filtering cloth. Then I've already added water, about 1 liter of water to my blended ginger. See how it looks like after adding the water. Then I'll filter it. So I'll now add my blended pineapple and mix it together. You can use honey to add to your ginger drink, but here I'm using pineapple. Always like the flavor of pineapple in my ginger drink. I'll add 1 cup of warm water. This is the finished product of the ginger drink. It is good for waist pain, knee pain, heart disorder, chronic rheumatism, asthma, or whooping cough. It is recommended for you. You can prepare it at home and use. If you find this video interesting, share with your friends and families, then thumbs up and subscribe to it. Thank you. Turn to the notification bell to know when we upload another video.